Let's look at number 19. Which is closer to 0, 3/4 or 1/5? So again, as you're looking at these fractions, let's really think about which ones are closer to the whole and which ones are closer to 0. I see that 3/4 is only one piece away from 4/4. In fact, if you want to write that down, that's really close. 1/5 is only one piece away from 0. So which is closer to 0? It's 1/5, and you can just circle that. Number 20, which is closer to 0, 1/8 or 2/3? Well, 2/3 is only one piece away from becoming a whole, whereas 1/8 is only one piece away from becoming 0. So 1/8 is closer to 0. Go ahead and do number 21 and number 22, and then join me back on the video for number 23. On number 23, we are going to change our thinking. This time we're going to say which is closer to a whole. So these questions can help guide us there. 5/6 is just one piece away from a whole, so it's 1/6 away. And then we could say that 1/8 is actually 7 pieces away from the whole. So I could say 1/8 is 7/8 away from a whole. And so because 5/6 is only one piece away, whereas the 8ths are 7 pieces away, 5/6 is closer to a whole. And another way to also check your thinking is to think about 1/8 is so close to 0. It's just one piece away from 0. We'll do number 24, and then you can do 25 and 26 on your own. It says, which is closer to a whole, 7/8 or 2/6? And I know that 7/8 is very close to a whole. It's just 1/8 piece away. And 2/6 is a little farther away. 2/6 is only 2 pieces away from 0. It is 4 pieces, 4/6 away from a whole. Now, if this math is a little bit hard for you to figure out how many pieces it is away from the whole, make sure you're looking at some fraction bars. You could also count in your head. You could think, starting at 7/8, you can count up to the whole. So 7/8, 8/8. We know that 8/8 equals a whole. If we count up from 2/6, we know it goes 2/6, and then 3/6, 4/6, 5/6, 6/6. And so I would count. I know that I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. So that's how I come up with 4/6 away from a whole. And then, of course, keep drawing those pictures if you need to. If you'll finish 25 and 26, make sure you check the ones that you did on your own with the answer key so that you can fix any of them that may need to be corrected. The more time you can spend now really trying to understand the basics, the easier fractions will be next week and throughout the rest of the year. Your hard work will pay off. Don't give up. You can do this.